Aufmerksamkeit zu den Sicherheitseinrichtungen dieser Boeing 777 Maschine vorführen können. Vielen Dank.
Working together to find airlines. Today, that relationship is still thriving. A link to the Boeing facility in Everett, Washington. Learn how these big metal birds are built. Meet the people that helped get them on the ground. The factory floor was incredible. At the end of my day, I took the all-new Polaris business class cabin for a spin.
Welcome. We're excited to have you aboard, and we appreciate your attention as we demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. FAA regulations require you to follow the instructions of our crew members and comply with most fit-minded signs.
It's important to have your seatbelt on at all times. To fasten your seatbelt, slide the metal end into the buckle, tighten by pulling the strap, lift the buckle to release. When the seatbelt sign is on, your seatbelt should be fastened low and tight across your lap. In case of unexpected turbulence, keep your seatbelt fastened even when the seatbelt sign is off. In Polaris Business Class, fasten your seatbelt, then secure the shoulder strap by placing the metal fitting over the lock and pulling on the strap until it clicks. The shoulder strap must be secured for taxi, takeoff, and landing. To release, push down on the metal fitting and lift. Then take a moment to look around in order to familiarize yourself with the aircraft. This Boeing 777 is equipped with 10 exit doors, 5 on each side of the aircraft. If the doors are open in an emergency, the slides automatically break. Slide rafts are located at the exit doors shown on the safety card. In a water landing, slide rafts attach to the aircraft and are used to slide rafts. The 2 doors located over the wings are equipped with slides. Should not be used in a water landing unless advised by a crew member. All 10 exits are marked with overhead signs. As you locate the 2 exits near your seat, remember, they may be behind you.
If you are seated in an exit row, you may be asked to assist the crew during an evacuation. If you're unable or uncomfortable, please ask the flight attendant to be moved. If you must evacuate the aircraft, exit path lights on or near the floor will illuminate and guide you to the exit. Look for a change in color or an exit sign to indicate that you have reached an exit. Leave all carry-on bags behind. Please refer to the safety card near your seat for the operation of the exit door on this aircraft.
If necessary, an oxygen mask will drop from above your seat. If the strap appears, pull down the strap to access your mask. Firmly pull the mask to extend the factory tubing and start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, slip the elastic band over your head, and tighten the straps. The bag may not inflate while oxygen is flowing. Make sure your mask is secure before helping others.
Should you need it, you'll find the light vest equipped with the water-activated light under or near your seat. When directed, pull the tab to remove the pouch. Tear open the pouch, remove and unfold the vest. Flip it over your head. Wrap the belt around your waist and secure it to the buckle in front. Pull the loose end to tighten. Inflate your vest just prior to exiting the aircraft by pulling down sharply on the red tab. You can also inflate the vest by blowing into the tube. This aircraft is also equipped with infant life vests, which will be distributed if necessary. Thanks, Oscar.
Smoking of any kind, including e-cigarettes, is never allowed on the aircraft. FAA regulations prohibit tampering with, disabling, or destroying laboratory smoke detectors. U.S. law also requires passengers to comply with lighted signs and crew member instructions.
Make sure you switch those smartphones, tablets, and e-readers to airplane mode. In taxi, takeoff, and landing, large electronic devices must be turned off and stowed. For international destinations, your flight attendants will advise you if it's necessary to turn off and stow your devices.
Nee, das ist in den USA so. Also, auf dem Hotel wird normalerweise